Good morning there, George. My name is Sharia at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our pre-owned department. You are letting us help you with your investment in your future, and I want to thank you for that. So the vehicle you chose is a 2009 Toyota Camry. It's right here beside me, but it needs to be in your driveway. Come on in. Let's take a closer look before you get here. As you can see, it has a sunroof. It's great in color. The body's in really great condition. The grille is the same color as the vehicle. You have projector headlights, really good tires. Oh, this vehicle's in really great condition. As we go inside the interior, you'll notice it has beige or light gray leather. It is in really great condition. On the steering wheel for hands-free, you have your music. Center console, you have a CD player, AM, FM radio, cold air for the summer, hot heat for the winter. I know you saw that price, George. Vehicles this nice at this price with this low miles is not going to be here long. The best thing you can do is come on down today while it's still here, because it's not going to be here long, as I said. The address is 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. Or give me a call to let me know on my cell phone, or text me to let me know what time you'll be here today, and I can have it driven to the front of the showroom floor, gassed up and air conditioned, blowing cold, ready for that test drive with you. That number is 205-702-1029. George, thank you so much for letting us help you with that investment in your future. And here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it. I know. I'll see you soon.